Welcome to our channel. Setting up Amazon Prime Video on your Hisense smart TV allows you to enjoy thousands of movies and shows. Step 1. Turn on your Hisense smart TV and ensure it's connected to your home internet network through Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Step 2. Navigate to the App Store on your Hisense TV using your remote control. This is typically labeled as the App Gallery or Smart Hub. Step 3. Search for Amazon Prime Video in the App Store's search function. Type the name using the on-screen keyboard. Step 4. Select the Amazon Prime Video app from the search results and click the Install or Download button. Step 5. Wait for the app to download and install completely on your TV. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 6. Open the Amazon Prime Video app once installation is complete. Step 7. An activation code will appear on your TV screen. Write down this code or keep the screen visible. Step 8. Using a computer or smartphone, visit primevideo.com on My TV and sign in with your Amazon account credentials. Step 9. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV and click Register. Your TV will automatically refresh and grant access to Prime Video content. Start streaming your favorite shows immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.